but I don't believe them. And I know it hurts, but I don't necessarily care. I've been looking for an excuse to blame you. Let's keep this quiet before we have an issue. I've got suggestions that you won't listen to. Here's to all the things that never happened. Keep yourself at a healthy distance. I've got perspective that you won't see through. Here's to all the times that I tried. I see through the fiction you refuse to believe, blinded by restrictions they planted in your head, with decisions based on fear that I don't wanna be a part of. I don't wanna be a part of. I don't wanna be a part of. Let's keep this quiet before we have an issue. I've got suggestions that you won't listen to. Here's to all the things that never happened. And keep yourself at a healthy distance. I've got perspective that you won't see through. Here's to all the times that I tried. Small town folks are much for missing. Small town